Right, welcome back everyone. My name is Pratesh here with Kaizen Crypto, bringing you another video. So I hope you guys are all doing well. Thank you so much for joining me here today. In this video, I wanted to share with you guys some interesting news talking about Cardano. Recently, Messari CEO saying that Cardano has plenty of room for growth. Taking a look also at Chainlink. Chainlink becomes the Tesla of cryptocurrencies. What's next? Recently, the price of Chainlink ripping higher, breaking past previous all-time highs. I want to share with you all some information regarding what may have caused the recent price surge. Also, we can see recent scams happening on YouTube. I wanted to give you guys some information regarding that. Recently, Charles Hoskinson gave his insight and his opinions on what we as a community can do to combat this. I wanted to talk about some things that you want to stay vigilant for when it comes to these scams on YouTube. So that is in this video, as well as an update for Yoroi users. If you do have Yoroi mobile wallet, this is going to be relevant for you as we move forward towards Shelly transitioning on the mainnet. This is going to be relevant if you do hold Cardano using Yoroi. And then lastly, if you guys do stay till the very end, I want to share with you some ideas for some price action with these two cryptos, talking about Chainlink as well as Cardano. So if you guys are interested in that type of content, be sure to stay tuned. Alright everyone, thank you all so much for joining me today. Lots of interesting things to talk about with cryptocurrencies. If you guys do find some value from this video here today, please be sure to drop a like for me. It definitely does help out the channel. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way you can stay up to date whenever I post content like this. If you do want to get notified, click that notification bell so you know exactly when I release a new video. And lastly, if you do have any comments or questions about anything that we're talking about today, make sure you let me know down in the comment section. So to start things off, we're taking a look at Cointelegraph, Messari CEO saying that Cardano has plenty of room for growth. Taking a look at some of the key points that were mentioned here. So according to him, he's saying that the potential discrepancy between staked and unstaked ADA could bode well for bulls even after Shelly goes live. While the initial staking percentage won't be known until after launch, Cardano's incentivized testnet saw participation from 40% of the reported supply. If this carries over to mainnet, Cardano's staking rates will be significantly lower than other large cap networks like Tezos and Cosmos. So with that being the case, we did get a good understanding of what it's going to be like to actually stake ADA using the incentivized testnet. 40% of the total available supply, however, I think is extremely conservative. If you're looking at networks like Tezos and Cosmos being 80% and 71% respectively, I don't think that there's any reason why Cardano couldn't be up there, maybe let's say 70, 80% of the total available supply set aside for staking and delegating. You know, and that's going to be what drives a lot of the anticipation for what's coming for Cardano, is the prospect of being able to earn passive income on your ADA. So I think that we are definitely going to see much higher levels than 40% being set aside for staking. But interesting to see nonetheless, the CEO of Messari coming out and giving his opinions regarding what is ahead for Cardano. So with the anticipation of staking as a service, we recently saw during the Shelly Virtual Summit that Coinbase custody will be coming out hopefully by Q4 of 2020, and this will allow ADA holders to be able to stake their assets using the exchange. So I think if you couple a potential Coinbase listing with the launch of Shelly, Goguen happening at the end of the year, Voltaire testnet, so many things happening with Cardano, it's an incredibly exciting time to be involved. Very exciting news coming from Cardano. Taking a look recently also in the news, we could see Chainlink is just ripping higher. It's incredible to see what is happening with the price point. What is some of the reason behind the recent price surge? So it's saying what pushed Link price to $8.50. So Link has proven to be one of the strongest movers in the crypto market. This was proved once again as the cryptocurrency broke above the previous all-time high of $5 and surged with 85% move to the upside towards $8.50. So as the chart shows, the rally might be temporarily over as sellers are stepping in to take profits, but this will only be confirmed if the daily candle closes as shown on the chart above. Currently, the candle shows a giant wick on the upside, indicating that there's more sell than buy pressure. Yeah, so lots of day traders potentially taking profits at those levels, seeing incredible gains. If you stay till the end of the video, I'm going to be sharing with you all some price ideas of what we can potentially anticipate here with Chainlink. So Chainlink being one of the top cryptocurrencies here in this article, being compared to the Tesla of cryptocurrencies, Chainlink is solving a big problem in terms of oracles for the decentralized finance aspects of cryptocurrencies. Recently, I saw in the news also that Chainlink had partnered with Nexo. Nexo is actually going to be somewhat like a cryptocurrency custody solution that allows you to borrow against your cryptocurrency. You can take out loans. You could actually earn interest on your cryptocurrency by locking it up with the Nexo platform. So that's pretty incredible to see, as far as price data, Nexo is going to be using Chainlink and their Oracle solution. So very cool. Chainlink is one of the blue chip cryptocurrencies to be holding here as we move forward into the next cycle. Taking a look at some recent news so we can see with these scam giveaways. It's being somebody who's been following the Cardano project now for years, I can tell you that this is a bittersweet thing to see. As we know, there are so many things happening with Cardano. It makes sense that now people are exploiting the attention that has been gravitating towards the Cardano project. However, in this instance, we have these malicious actors who are taking advantage of people who are coming into the space and who might not know any better, and these individuals do not have your best interests in mind. So with that being the case, as you guys know, I've been doing my research when it comes to these scam giveaways with YouTube. In fact, Charles Hoskinson even came out and gave his thoughts. I would recommend that you guys check out his video. That way you can see exactly his stance on these scams from a CEO standpoint. I think you'll benefit a lot from that. But I wanted to give you guys my thoughts. So pulled up for you all here, I've got an instance of one of these scam videos. Taking a look at it, we can see here most notably that you have a QR code where these people are saying if you send 5,000 plus ADA, you'll receive over 10,000 ADA back. So, that's very tempting to a lot of people. The people want quick money in the sense that if you're able to double your ADA and you don't have to do any work, that's how these scams are appealing to people who are new and who are just getting started with cryptocurrencies. I wanted to show you something though. If you take a look, we can see here that the channel is the Cardano ADA Foundation. This channel supposedly has 156,000 subscribers. If we go a little bit further, if we click on this channel name, we can see here this pulls up the channel. The Cardano Foundation is set as the banner. You've got 156,000 subscribers on this channel. Now, if we take a look where it says videos, and on most YouTube channels, you'll see that there are a decent amount of YouTube videos. So in this instance, quite a few YouTube videos. So this is very surprising, and you would think that it's legit. You can see right off the bat. So the Cardano Foundation banner is up here. Cardano ADA Foundation is not the official channel name for the Cardano Foundation. And if we take a look at some of the previous videos that are released by this channel, we can see that a lot of it has to do with like technology. I would think that from most of these thumbnails, we can see like a lot of these aren't even in English. There's just mixed YouTube videos in there. What is probably a little bit deceiving is the amount of views that these videos are getting. So just pay attention to that. I think that channels like this, you just have to be really vigilant of. You have to really learn what to look for with these videos. Right now, this surprise AMA from Charles Hoskinson on Cardano ADA, this channel has been made specifically for running this live promotion. YouTube is even running ads on my videos promoting these scams. So for those of you who have watched some of those ads, I do apologize for any of those ads that were promoting this scam. Of course, it's not intentional for me to do that. I think it's more of a platform issue with YouTube. But I wanted to show you guys that, just some key things to look out for. If you do come across one of these ads, please report it. It's going to be the best way for us to stop this from happening in the future. So those are some things I wanted to share with you all. Moving on, I wanted to talk a little bit about Yoroi. So for those of you guys who do follow the channel, I talk about the two most prominent wallets for holding Cardano, namely Daedalus and Yoroi. I think with those two wallets, if you are concerned about being prepared when we do see the Shelly hard fork, those are going to be your best bets. So if you do use Yoroi, today there's actually going to be a big upgrade for the Yoroi wallet. Essentially what they're doing is they're preparing for the upgrade from Byron to Shelley. So today all systems that use Cardano are upgrading from the deprecated Cardano SL to the new Cardano node codebase. This new codebase is what we'll be using to activate the Shelley upgrade that will enable you to earn ADA staking rewards in August. Very cool. So if you do receive a prompt, if you are a Yoroi user, you want to make sure that you just go forward and upgrade your version of Yoroi. That way you're prepared whenever you are ready to start staking your ADA. In this instance, the recovery phrase will be the same, so you don't have to worry about your private keys. Your recovery phrase will remain the same across the different versions for Yoroi. So that is very interesting. I think that it's pretty cool. Now we can see all these developments actually happening in real time. So if you are a Yoroi user, make sure you go ahead and upgrade to the latest version. That way you can be prepared when we are able to start staking using the Yoroi mobile wallet. And for those of you guys who have stuck around to the very end, thank you all so much for watching. You know, I really do appreciate all the support that you guys have been giving. I wanted to go ahead and close up this video today by talking about some recent price action and sharing some ideas that we can see from different price analysis for Chainlink and Cardano. So Chainlink doing an incredible move just recently. As we can see, this is the Link BTC chart, breaking past previous highs. And from what we read in the article, we did have quite a few traders taking some profits. We had quite the wick show up here. So now as far as price potential, where could we go here coming up in the very near future? I think Chainlink is going to be one of those prominent plays as it comes to DeFi, as it comes to being able to earn passive income from staking. So many things being built with Chainlink, so many partnerships. So Chainlink is one of those cryptocurrencies that I'm very bullish on. And you know, for those of you who are holding the project, I think we're getting warmed up. So this is going to be a pretty incredible ride for Chainlink. Here's an idea for you. Where could we potentially go here in the next few months? And lastly, sharing with you all an idea from Cardano Dan. Cardano USDT looking very bullish. And with all the things happening, you guys know Cardano could definitely make a break for 15 cents coming up here in the very near future. So that would be a next technical level of resistance, but I do think that we are making our way towards that level. So guys, what do you all think is going to be the next big crypto? Do you guys hold Cardano? Do you guys hold Chainlink? Let me know down in the comments section. Anyway guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed this video here today. Hopefully you all did find some value from it. If you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button and let me know any comments or suggestions for future videos down in the comments section below. Alright everyone, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.